said the junkies, look what it's done to me. I couldn't stop, but I seen it all before down someplace. Oh yes I did, I was growing up too fast society, and good for me or no, but what's the option? I can't describe no way. Did I take to crime? Well, I shouldn't say, I won't grass no. Maybe not. Don't even know nothing about me or what school I went to do, you know. Went to the same place everybody. Got no start school in life. I used to jack up all the time, but it just wasn't drugs. Maybe too, it wasn't even alive. Something didn't feel right. Well, everybody got money, pass me by. Everybody got nothing going on so good, no. Can't put no money in your bank. Yes, I didn't. Well, it wasn't just me. No, what did I do? Next thing you know, I've been caught. But I walked through. I didn't grass nobody. What they said, they couldn't really prove. Just like that pedo school teacher. Or that truck driver wanna suck me when I thumbed you right. Unfortunate life. Just me and my mom, no one to protect me. See, that's how it was. My sister was a dice. She's gone a long time ago, blew itself away. It was all the jive. Couldn't take no more, she couldn't find no one. What's the meaning of society? I really don't know. I'm sweating now as that needle. You know it ain't doing what it should be doing. I can't hack that job no more. Look at that. Life's so bad, even a Kennedy shooting don't mean nothing. Nothing's just. What is it now? Well, no, I didn't get caught stealing at work no more. That wasn't the case. No. crime. They're just looking for something better to do the pay. And I turn that truck driver away again. Yes, I did. I talked to him. He just opened the window. I said, I know your game, mister. Good luck. I ain't prejudiced. There's a guy like you in school. There's one in politics, maybe 50 more. What is life? Yeah, what is life? What is life? What is life? No, 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 I don't know. Your dead cats fly down the road. No, nobody really cares. Here's that pig who scores with me, 'cause he got no uniform on. You look to the left, you look to the right, you look right down into the dark night. You won't score if too many round. Pay the money fast and they come watch society. Watch society. What's it mean? You can say, oh, what's that neon sign? It just said EX, but that stuff was coming on. I felt like vomiting, then I realized the S was missing from that sign, but the hookers weren't, they were standing outside. Oh yeah, and I came round the corner, waiting for his car. Some of them are so young, but smack kill everything in you to do with love. Just bring on more crime. That's all it could be. Society, when you've seen so many times all the bad things in the world, you don't bother no more. Don't bother too much no more. Junkie, police, motorbike, cars. shot somebody out. Everybody know it's wrong. Another junkie who's gonna care what was written up, and he did it with a hooker. Pretty much to say nobody there to give evidence for that poor soul. No, society ain't really that no more. It's just a moniker. It's all going on